So this is a very simple technique of air layering. Simply explained to do, even you can do it now immediately. Let's talk about a new propagating method of plants that's called air layering. It's not quite new, but it is a new experience for home gardeners. Let's see step by step. Now I'm going to use home things for this. I don't want to purchase new things. I want to show guys where you can use things where you can find in your home. So what I'm going to use is we need topsoil mixed with a bit of compost, a clean sterilized sharp knife, and aloe vera gel, because this is a natural growth hormone to stimulate root growth, and strips or maybe a cloth piece or something where you can tie, which is hard enough to tie, and a polythene or a bag will do. So today I'm going to use this starfruit plant, and you can see when you do air layering, you should always check a part of leaf which has felt off, and you should take a clear layer, this area, and this is called the cambium layer. So what I'm doing is I'm going to peel it off. You should peel the whole area, because the new root growth is going to start from there. Until it get white. So what basically we do here, it's a cambium layer. So this is the cambium layer which will transport food from this point to this entire branch. So what I'm doing is when you scrape it off, the basic concept is the plant gets disturbed, and this area it doesn't have any function to do. We'll find that it has a new function, and it will start developing roots. For that, first we should get some aloe vera gel. That's a natural hormone for root growth, and what I'm doing is I'll apply it completely. So this will stimulate root growth, and it will also kill any fungi or any other infections during the process. Next step is I filled my bag or the polythene which you provided. I filled it with topsoil and compost, and I just fill it like a pulp. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make a cut here so that I can insert it into the stem. It's an easy method. I'm tying it with the strip or anything which you can find. Even it could be any kind of material which will tie this off and prevent water intake. And yes, so hopefully you can see the layer is inside this, and now this is going to be my new plant, and roots will develop. Maybe I'm going to keep it for 1 month so I can see new roots develop. And what I'm going to do is, after root develops, I should check it first and then separate this over from here, and then I will replant it in a pot or somewhere, wait for maybe another 2 weeks for them to develop and to stay in a new place, and then again I will change it or transfer it to my garden or maybe a larger container. So this is a very simple technique of air layering. Simply explained to do, even you can do it now immediately if you have any fruit bearing trees. Benefits are, see this tree is bearing, it has fruits. So now this plant is an adult plant. For me to grow this tree with only seeds, it will take maybe 3 to 4 years for me to get fruits if I start from a new seedling. So what this will do is, now this branch, this is a new plant. So this has a cell memory and it knows it's an adult. So once I separate it, once the roots are propagated, it will know that it is an adult, and it will start producing immediately after settling down. So this method is a very quick start for people who wants to have new plants and to get more yield and more fruit soon. So please stay tuned and subscribe to our channel and see other gardening videos. It will help you all, and I will show you tricks and tips to improve your gardening experience with simple things where you can find over your house. Thank you.